Let's start this event by offering a prayer. The prayer units our minds and souls. In the presence of God, we seek God abundant blessing. So I would like to welcome Mrs. Deepika ma'am from GHPS Tamdihilli for the prayer. Please ma'am.
Good morning everyone. I am Deepika from GHPS Tamdihilli School. This is the invocation song about Lord Rama. Atma Ramananda Ramana Atma Ramananda Ramana Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana Bhava Bhayaharana Vandita Charana Bhava Bhayaharana Vandita Charana Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Lochana Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Lochana Atma Ramananda Ramana Atma Ramananda Ramana Adinarayana Ananta Shayana Adinarayana Ananta Shayana Sachidananda